When was the last time you complimented, appreciated, or helped someone else? It could have been yesterday, in the past week, in the past month, whenever. What I want you to think of is in detail what you did, what you said. Maybe you could have said that, wow, that dress looks great on you. Or maybe you could have said to some other person that you created an amazing PPT, that's great. This way, just remember what you said to this person or anyone else around you and how you complimented or appreciated them. Now, I want you to do the same thing but in a different way. So, let's do this. Instead of thinking about the compliments or appreciation you give someone else, think about the compliments and appreciation you have given yourself. When was the last time you did that? Think about it, and I want you to think about that in detail as well. You're a little stuck, right? You're not really able to recollect that moment, right? That exact moment where you were like, yes, I was kind to myself, I appreciated myself. If you see that, if you feel that you were able to find those moments where you appreciated others very easily, but you're not able to find a moment where you appreciated yourself, don't worry, you're not alone. Because we are not in the habit of appreciating ourselves. We don't appreciate ourselves. While we go out there, while we actively promote this concept that be kind, be positive, be helpful, do what you love. We see these kind of things out there that you have to be kind, you have to be helpful. We think that in context of others, like we have to be kind to others, we have to be helpful to others. But we never think that we have to be kind to ourselves as well. And that's what we need to do. We must start being kind to ourselves because only then we will be able to be kind to others and truly help other people out. It is said that you can only love other people when you love yourself. And it's the same with kindness. You can only be kind to other people when you are kind to yourself. Because that is when you'll truly understand what the meaning of kindness is. So, right now, do this one simple thing. If you're going through a hard time or if you're going through some emotional turbulence, just do this. Or even if you're not going through anything like that, just do this. Give yourself a big hug. Hug yourself like this, close your eyes and say, I am proud of you. I am proud of who you are. And you are doing great. Say this to yourself right now. Do this and tell me how you feel. Think about how you feel. And instantly you'll notice that there's a change in your body language, in your thinking, and there's a smile on your face. Why? Because just like when other people compliment you, when you compliment or appreciate or be kind to others in any way, you are doing the same thing to yourself, and that is what creates that smile. Now, before I had said that you can only be kind to others only when you are kind to yourself. And that's true. Because until and unless you have not experienced kindness or been kind to yourself, how will you know if you are being kind to others? That's what you need to understand. So, being kind to yourself, helping yourself out or appreciating yourself time by time will actually help you be more positive and will actually help you be more kind to other people. Let's understand this through a simple example. Imagine that you go to your local grocery store and you're buying some groceries and you say that there's an old lady who isn't able to reach to the top shelf. Now if you have this kind of attitude towards yourself, I don't deserve anything, I don't deserve to be helped, I don't have to help myself, I am not a good person, I am not worthy of anything. If you see these kind of things to yourself, if you're not kind to yourself, you will not feel it within yourself to go out and help that lady to get what she wants, because you don't believe in yourself that you can get what you want. It may sound very trivial or simple, but this reflects in everyday actions that you have. So, just like this is also said that every person in teenage or whatever, that every person who is a bully has actually been a sufferer of bullying as well, and that is just that person's way of expressing that out, and that is by bullying others as well. That's what happens. And it's the same with kindness. If you're kind to yourself, only then will you be able to project that kindness towards others, and it shows when you're meeting new people, when you're connecting with them, or when you're even connecting with your friends and family. If you compliment them, if you say that wow, your dress looks good, or you're doing fantastic, you say that to your colleagues, it means that you recognize yourself to you, recognize your value too, and because of that only you're able to guide others, you're able to appreciate and be kind to others. And this isn't just limited to saying positive things to yourself, being doing some positive self-talk, because that is just one aspect of it. Being kind also means that you don't let yourself overthink, you don't let yourself do bad things that harm your body and your mind, and you go forward to find solutions. Just like we understood from that example of the lady, she is not able to reach to that shelf, and that's a problem. And if you are able to, it means that that is a solution with which you can help her. In the same way, whatever problems you are facing, you need to find solutions for that, and finding that solutions and implementing them is kindness towards yourself too. How? You're eliminating stress from your life and you're being more happy. So kindness just isn't like saying I'm proud of myself or I am doing great. It's just one aspect of it. Kindness expands to so many other aspects. And to be kind to yourself means that you do things that are right for you. And you do things that lead you towards solutions, and not just they expand your problem. So like many of us get stuck in the rut of overthinking, we get stuck in problems, we aren't able to find solutions. It's simple because we aren't solution minded. And once we become solution minded, we are able to find solutions and we can start being kind to ourselves. So this way, you have to start being kind to yourself, and only then will you start seeing a positive change in your life, and only then will you start being kind to others and helping others out as well. It does not mean being selfish, it does not mean that you're too much into yourself, or it does not mean that you're egoistic. It means that you value yourself and you know what is important for any person's growth and success, and you do that to yourself. So start appreciating yourself, start being kind to yourself. And the more you do it, the more you will be able to grow, the more happy you will be, and the more you will be able to help yourself and others out. So now what I want you to do is comment below and write one positive thing about yourself and be kind to yourself that way. Write one positive thing about yourself, and I'll write one from my side too. So you can find it down there in the pinned comment where I will write one positive thing about myself, and below that you start writing a positive thing about yourself. This is just one step that you will take towards being kind to yourself. And as I mentioned before, that being kind to yourself also means that doing the things that are right for you, and subscribing to this channel and hitting the bell icon definitely is the right thing, because every week I'm putting out new videos that are going to help you become more positive and find solutions to your problems. So the more you do that, the more you'll be able to find solutions, and the more you will be kind to yourself. So hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for that, and share this video as an act of kindness towards any person, and share it with as many people as possible, so that more and more of us start becoming kind. What I want you to remember is, once you start being kind to yourself, you will start spreading that positivity to others, you will start spreading that message to others, and the world will start becoming a better place. Let's start the kindness chain today, and you appreciate yourself every day, appreciate other people every day, and you'll start seeing a much more positive change in your life.